Did you know your phone's camera has hidden settings that can actually spy on you?
Yes, it can take photos or even videos without you ever knowing. In today's video, we're going to change some phone settings so no one can spy on us through the camera.
Let's dive in.
The very first thing we'll do is check what hidden permissions the camera app has on our phone.
Head over to your main settings. Now scroll down and tap on Apps. Inside Apps, tap on Search and type Camera. Here you'll see the camera application, tap on that. Next, tap on Permissions.
Now you'll notice this app already has access to the camera, location, microphone, nearby devices, notifications, photos, and videos.
Most people think, that's it, those are all the permissions. But that's not true. Look at the three dots in the top right corner of your screen.
Tap there, and then tap on All Permissions.
Here, you'll see a lot more permissions. And the most interesting part. This application actually has full access to the network.
That means it could take photos or videos of us and send them straight to the internet.
So how do we stop this? Let's go back. Tap back again to reach App Info.
Now scroll all the way down and tap on Change System Settings. Here, turn off the switch next to Allow Permission. Disabling this won't affect your normal camera use, but it will prevent the camera from secretly turning on in the background without your knowledge.
Next, let's stop the camera from running in the background.
Here's why. When we want to take a photo, we open the camera app, take the picture, and that's it.
There's no reason for it to keep running in the background.
Not only does this drain your battery faster, but it could also allow spying. So again, head to Main Settings.
Scroll down to Apps. Tap on Search, type Camera, and open the Camera app. Now scroll all the way down and tap on Battery. Here, select Restricted. But remember, the camera app isn't the only one with access.
There are many other apps on your phone: Messenger, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and more that also have access to the camera.
And yes, these apps can potentially spy too. So let's lock them down. Head back to Main Settings. Scroll down to Security and Privacy. Scroll further down, and under the Privacy tab, you'll see which apps have used your camera over the past 7 days. Tap on Permissions. Now choose Camera. If you notice some suspicious app using your camera, you can delete it, or simply block its access. To do this, look at the three dots in the top right corner. Tap Manage Apps with this permission. Here, you'll see every app that currently has camera access. Here's my recommendation. No app should have constant access. Only the camera app itself should have allow only while using. For other apps like Messenger, I recommend setting it to always ask. Let's do it. Tap on Messenger, then choose Ask every time.
Now, whenever an app wants to use your camera, you'll immediately know.
It will pop up and ask for permission. For example, let's open Messenger and try to make a video call. Before the app can even turn on the camera, it asks for permission.
This way, you're always in control and no app can secretly spy on you. You can even select only this time, and after you close the app, it won't have access anymore.
And that's it.